In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the TurboTax W-4 Calculator. To get started, open your web browser and go to the TurboTax W-4 Calculator. Once the page loads, click Start to begin. This tool is designed to help you estimate whether your current paycheck withholding is on track, so you can make adjustments before tax time if needed. The first thing you'll do is choose your filing status. Select the option that matches your situation, such as single, married filing jointly, married filing separately, head of household, or qualifying surviving spouse. This matters because your filing status affects how much tax is typically withheld and how your estimate is calculated. Next, enter your age and the number of dependents, if that applies to you. Be as accurate as possible here, since dependents can affect your tax situation and your withholding recommendation. After that, click Continue. Now you'll move into the Employment Details section. Here, enter the number of jobs you have, whether you expect to keep the job all year, your pay frequency, and your next paycheck date. Then fill in your taxable income per pay period, the wages you've received so far this year, the federal tax withheld from each paycheck, and the federal tax withheld year to date. If expected state tax withholding applies, enter that as well. This section is especially important because the calculator uses these figures to build a more realistic estimate based on your actual earnings and withholding pattern. When everything looks correct, click Continue. On the next screen, enter any eligible tax credits, education information, or other tax payments. If none of those apply to you, simply leave the fields at 0 or choose the appropriate default options. Then click Continue. After that, enter any other income you may have, such as interest, dividends, or other taxable income, if applicable. If you don't have any additional income to report, you can leave that section blank or at 0, depending on how the page is set up. Then click Continue again. Next, choose whether you want to take the standard deduction or itemized deductions. This choice can affect your tax estimate, so select the one that reflects your situation. Once you've made your selection, click Continue to calculate your results. The calculator will then show you its withholding recommendation, along with an estimated refund or estimated tax due. Take a moment to review the results carefully. If the recommendation suggests a change, use that information to update your Form W-4 with your employer if needed. Thanks for watching.